welcome back to my channel Ayushi Khanna Choreography. This is your new tutorial for the Shisha song. आजकल सब लोग स्प्लिट्सविला तो देख ही रहे होंगे, मैंने तो अभी ख़त्म किया जस्ट. सो दिस सॉन्ग इज़ फ्रॉम निहारिका एंड सौरभ, जो कि कपल मुझे बड़ा पसंद था. मज़ा आ जाता था इन लोगों को देख के. या बट ऑब्वियसली सबका फेवरेट गुल्लू ही था, गुल्लू एंड कायरा, और वो ही जीते. बट इट्स ओके, बट इनका सॉन्ग बहुत बढ़िया है. तो लेट्स लर्न दिस अप. पहले मैं आपको करके दिखा देती हूँ पूरा डांस. म्यूजिक नहीं चला सकती बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉपीराइट इश्यूज. सो थोड़ा बहुत जहाँ पे चल रहा होगा हल्का हल्का म्यूजिक आएगा, आगे आप खुद गा लेना.
तेरे आगे पीछे लगे सुन दो ना छोरी का, जो रखेगा बचा के दुनिया की नजर तेरे कर दियो हवाले. तेरे पकड़ाया हाथ तने मेरा, थोड़ी थोड़ी मैं तो देख देख शीशा शर्मांदी फिरूं सो. मैं तो देख देख शीशा शर्मांदी फिरूं सो. देख शीशा शर्मांदी फिरूं सो.
सो दिस वाज द डांस एंड आप लोग इसे स्लो भी कर सकते हो. सो स्लो में ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है.
तेरे आगे पीछे लगे सुन दो ना छोरी का, हर रंग तेरे गिला मैच हो मैं गोरा छोरी का, जो रखेगा बचा के दुनिया की नजर तेरे कर दियो हवाले काला डोरा छोरी का. जब तेरे पकड़ाया हाथ तने मेरा, थोड़ी थोड़ी मैं तो घबराती फिरूं सो. मैं तो देख देख शीशा शर्मांदी फिरूं सो. मैं तो देख देख शीशा शर्मांदी फिरूं सो. देख देख शीशा शर्मांदी फिरूं सो. मैं तो देख देख शीशा शर्मांदी फिरूं सो.
So now let's start. This is your right hand, this is your left hand. So you have to do it accordingly. So we're gonna start with keeping our right leg in the front. So basically my weight is on the left side and right toe हम लोग आगे रखेंगे. So we're gonna start with right elbow will go up and simultaneously left will go up. So this goes on 1, 2, then right side 3. The left hand is here on your chest and 4. Let's try this again. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. This comes on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you just go forward with one finger and your thumb just doing this. Yeah, so you go forward like that. Then you do a body wave. Body wave. Halka sa. Just doing this. So chin, chest, stomach, hip. अगर पुराने मेरे ट्यूटोरियल्स देखे हैं ऑन आयुषी की दुनिया वाला पेज तो आप लोगों को पता होगा. दिस इज माय न्यू चैनल. सो आफ्टर यू फिनिश दिस वी गोना गो बॉडी वेव विद जस्ट मूविंग द राइट फिंगर हियर एंड यू जस्ट गो 1, 2 जैसे हम दोनों बोल रहे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं, like that. 1, 2. Let's join all of this. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whole 6. 1, 2, 3, tuck, tuck, and here. Yeah. So what did I do? Baat kari and right hand in, like this, just sliding it to the left side. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whole 6. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whole 6. We're gonna take the right leg and the right hand पीछे को, yes, and your left hip is visible to the audience. Yeah, and you're gonna go right hand, left hand and right hand doing this and in. So जैसे हम लोग आगे रहेंगे, make sure that your hip also goes out and down. Yes. So all the wow part of the choreography is always the hip. Yeah, because when you move, it looks better. So if you just dance this, it won't look nice. Yeah, you have to move to look nice. Let's try it again from the top. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whole 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whole 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whole 6. Your left leg is already in cross, so you just step again with the left leg only to just wipe your face like that. So just outline your face from the left side and come here, and then just bring your right hand from left to right like that. Let's try it from the top. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6. Yeah. So when you do the 1, 2, it's a slow one. Just drop it down and just go 5, hold 6. Now the actual chorus part starts. Once you finish this just goes right, left. So just go right, left, right hand forward, left hand is catching the wrist of the right hand. And from here just move the hip and hip. So when you're moving the hip, your right hand just goes from down and you try to hold the wrist like that. Let's try it again, the chorus part. So we go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, here. Yes, 7, 8. So let's try this again. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, here 5, 6, 7, 8 is pretty slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now just make the love sign, yeah, and just go 1, 2. Yeah, thodi, thodi. Go thodi, thodi. You come in, you throw. So when you throw it to the left side, your shoulder also goes back, your hip also goes back, and then you go a chest pop like that. So just the chest coming a little forward and back. Then the actual chorus will start. Now let's try it again from the top till where we've done. So there we go. Right leg forward. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6. 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 And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Na 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 na. Yeah, that's the musicality. Now once you have finished this, we're gonna go 1, 2. So you just go push in right side and close it. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and you just open and open. Yeah, just keep your left hand a little higher than the right hand, and the way you move the legs is just right side and right side. Yeah, try not to do this because a lot of girls I've seen are doing that and it's looking really bad. Yeah, please don't open the knees. No, no, no. Yes, we're gonna do it again. Please close your knees. Yeah, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just move the hip. Yeah, from your right hand going forward, left leg going back. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Yeah, again. So wake shisha. Exactly. Make sure you're not already looking here. नहीं तो spot कैसे आएगा? So please look here when you do this. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and thumka 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 while just outlining the face from the left side. From here, we're gonna go left hand and right leg. So 1 towards the left side, yeah. Left hand and right leg, yeah. And shisha, same thing. Now the last one is wake shisha. Just put one finger inside your in between your teeth, yeah, and just going down 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how do we do this? And you end up there, and then you can groove however you want to do. Yes, so rewind this, watch it again, rewind this, watch it again. Practice makes the man perfect. So keep doing this, try it out. It's a very stylish choreography and I love it. I hope you liked my tutorial. So please like, share and subscribe to see more videos, tutorials. Please press the bell icon button कि आपको सारी notifications आती रहें कि कौन से नए tutorial आ रहे हैं. And I promise I will keep posting regularly the tutorials. प्लीज़ कमेंट करो कौन से ट्यूटोरियल चाहिए, कौन से सॉन्ग के चाहिए. आई विल डेफिनेटली पोस्ट दोज वंस एज वेल. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.